All right, so today I want to cover a little bit about replacing your windshield wipers. Have you ever had those windshield wipers that are just worn out? You go get an oil change and they cost you a fortune to get replaced. Well, let me walk you through how to do it. They've made it a lot easier today. The only problem with the complexity of it is now they sell them in a certain size. And that size works with 1,000 different vehicles instead of it used to be you go buy one and you can just put it on. So depending on which size you get, a lot of the times, like in this case, I have two different size wiper blades. This is a long 24-inch blade, at least I hope it is. Yep. And this is a short 20-inch wiper blade. And that looks like that might be a bit short too. All right, so the idea is that the pieces and parts that are in here, they've gotten so much better at making them fit on everyone. So I'm just gonna go straight to doing the installation here and make this as quickly and painlessly. But you can go into any auto parts store, Walmart, or any place like that, and you can just look in their little book on what your car is, and it'll tell you what size you need for both the left and the right. You do need to check and make sure. It used to be they were the same size. They're not like that anymore because they have funny shaped windows and funny ways that they run them. So once you want to open them up, there's going to be several different types of clips and pieces in here, and all these pieces accommodate all the different types of cars. So if you've got, you may find different ones that you need for your car as opposed to the ones that is needed for this one. Now, to figure out which one you need to get the one that you have on here off. So in my case, I basically just turn the blade completely this way and it should slide off. And you can see here, I've got see if I can get you a view of that. I have got I'm gonna move this out of the way, like a little hook in there that just slides onto this little groove. And let me give you a little closer look at this groove. So this groove is nothing more than a hook. I can get that down there on there. Is a hook that catches my windshield wiper. So what I need to do is find the actual piece that has just the hook on it. And it may even be the default one in this case, where I take this and I slide it in past, nope, let's see, open up this latch. Looks like that might be it. And then, do I need any adapter whatsoever? It looks like I don't. It looks like this groove is very similar to this groove here. So then it's just a matter of getting this to slip up and on and then clip this closed. If you've done it right, there we go. Kind of, it looks like it's not all the way on is what it's telling me here. There we go, all the way on, and that clip's closed, and now it's finished. And that was pretty quick and easy replacement of that blade. So now I'm gonna go over to the other side, and I've gotten lucky. I didn't need any of the adapters that are in here, but in some of your cars, you may need them. And the directions that come with these will tell you if you're one of those people who need the extra clips. Most of these are pretty simple these days. 3 pieces, just like the other blade, and a blade. I don't need any compartments, so this opens up. Pull this up, twist it this way, slide it off. That one's on there good and tight. There it goes. Good and tight. I'm gonna twist this camera just a little bit over this way for you. Same thing as before, we have a little hook. And we just want to open this little compartment here and then take the windshield wiper and slide it up into that hook, giving it a good push to get it to latch. Once you do, now that I've got it all the way in there, you'll see the little clips here catch onto it. Clip that closed and put the wiper back down. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The rest of these parts are for cars that have different types of windshield wipers, so you don't have to worry about them if yours fits also. If not, find the right adapter. It'll slide right onto the piece that you have there, and then this will allow you to hook it to your car. There's also directions inside that tell you which cars it goes to. Hopefully that'll help. We'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.